Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lady Like Me. This is Sherry. For today's video, I am going to show you how I set up my baby's playpen. Well, with the help of my husband. It is super spacious and my baby and I are so happy with this purchase. In our apartment, we have a space on this corner that we can absolutely use to place Kurt's playpen. I needed to clear out everything, clean and sanitize the whole area so that we can begin to assemble his playpen. Now that the floor is clean, sanitized, and ready, I'm going to open this box. I ordered this playpen from Amazon. This particular playpen has 16 panels with round smooth edges for baby safety during playtime. It also has one locking door gate and one decorative gate. The total dimension of this playpen is 75 by 75 with a height of 23.6 inches. You don't need any tool to assemble this. It has interlocking panels which makes this playpen super easy to set up. Each panels can be adjusted to any desired look you want. This suction cup must be placed at the bottom part of the panel so that it becomes sturdy. With this at the bottom, my baby can push the playpen. Added information about this playpen. This playpen is crafted with high quality, non-toxic, 100% BPA-free plastic used with high standards of safety for baby products. The smooth edges protects your baby from hurting themselves during playtime. It is also super lightweight and sturdy. It can be used both indoor and outdoor.
Wala ka na itong pag-SM, no? Wala ka lang kami na asa ka dito guys yung mga Amazon.
I became a man.
So yung mga tanganin, dito guys ka sa may bumbaran.
Today I became a man.
I'm not. Your butt is in the screen. Mo ba nikibat yung taon eh. Kumaya pag-atwin ka.
I got a beautiful butt anyway. Kabalo di ka pupunta.
Ha?
Kabalo di ka pupunta.
Ang good lang tama.
This playpen is expensive, but for me personally, I think it is worth it because my baby can use it for a long time. It's super safe for him and super secure. How I wish the seller could also make it possible for us to buy extra panels, of course in a much affordable price in case we decide to make this playpen bigger. The next box that I'm opening is his playmat. I got this from SoftTiles. I love that I can customize it, pick whatever colors I want, and I especially love that I can put my baby's name on his playmat. This mat is not only super cute and unique, it is also soft, non-toxic, and these foam mats are BPA phthalate, latex-free, formamide-free, no fire retardants, and of course tested to EN71 safety standards.
Baliktad yan natin lang ha. Ganyan baliktad.
I see. Okay, there you go.
At this point, we were a little bit struggling on how to place this super simple mat because number one, I forgot what it's supposed to look like. My husband doesn't have any idea. And number two, we should have assembled the mat first before the playpen because we don't have the space, as you can see. So my husband decided to get the playpen out of the way so that he can assemble this mat. This is what it looks like. After my husband did the whole thing, I saw this paper. If I had seen this paper earlier, we won't have any trouble assembling it. Maybe because we were just too excited to make everything, that's why we missed this piece of paper right here. It's so important to look at it and, base, of course, what the mat should look like. Anyway, I have 3 pieces of extra mats over here, which I will use in the future, but for now, with limited space, I will keep this. With its lock, my baby can't go anywhere. I also won't feel guilty putting him here because it is spacious and safe for him. I love that it's big. It looks super awesome, it's super cute, and most especially, it is safe for my baby. As I am editing this video, I would like to share to you that I am more in love with this playpen. It was such a great buy. We have been using it for a week. My baby gets to crawl safely, and I also get things done around the house. I also love that every time he wants to play and it's in the middle of the night or whatever, I can put him here. I also go with him, of course with my blanket and my pillow, and I can securely, close my eyes and maybe take shallow naps, knowing that I am beside him and he is safe. I love the quality of both his playpen and mat. It is truly useful for the both of us. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also click the bell button beside it to be notified for my next video. Have a wonderful day everyone. I will see you next time.